Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the latest developments in NASA's Artemis program, specifically the upcoming moon mission. The Artemis 2 mission, which aims to send 3 U.S. astronauts and 1 Canadian into lunar orbit, is facing some challenges but is making progress. Let's break it down. NASA has been working tirelessly to get the Artemis 2 stack ready for launch. This massive rocket and spacecraft, weighing 5,000 tons, underwent repairs after a helium flow issue was detected. The team had to carefully move the entire assembly back to the vehicle assembly building, a process that took up to 12 hours. Despite the setback, the mission is now targeting a launch on April 1st. This mission is a significant step towards achieving President Trump's goal of returning Americans to the moon. However, it's not without its hurdles. NASA has encountered various technical problems, including a liquid hydrogen leak during a wet dress rehearsal that cut the launch short. These challenges highlight the complexity of space exploration and the need for meticulous planning. The Artemis 2 crew has already entered quarantine in Houston, preparing for the potential liftoff. The mission's success is crucial, as it will be the first crewed flyby of the moon in over half a century. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of exploration. What makes this mission particularly exciting is the potential for scientific breakthroughs. The astronauts will conduct experiments in lunar orbit, contributing to our understanding of the moon's geology and the effects of long-duration space travel. This could pave the way for future lunar bases and even deeper space exploration. In my opinion, the Artemis program is a shining example of what humanity can achieve when we push the boundaries of science and technology. It's a reminder that even in the face of challenges, we can strive for greatness. So, let's keep an eye on this mission and see where it takes us. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more space-related content.